Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Snapchat sound not working problem. Actually, it's very easy and quick, but you need to watch this video until the end so you won't skip any important step. So first of all, if you face this problem, the first thing you need to do is to go to your App Store, and then at the bottom right corner you need to click on the search icon. Then you need to type Snapchat. After that you need to click on the Snapchat, and then you need to see if there are some new updates. If there are, you need to download them. So if you downloaded the last version of this application and you still got this problem, the second thing you need to do is to go to your settings, and then you need to scroll down and find Snapchat application here, and then click on that. In this list of options you need to make sure you enabled microphone. After that, if you still got this problem, the third thing you need to do is to go to your Snapchat application. Then in this interface at the top left corner you need to click on your image button. And then you need to click on the settings button at the top right corner. In this interface you need to scroll down until you see support and feedback section, and then you need to click on the first option, Help Center. After that you need to scroll down and find gray button, Contact Us, and then click on that. In this interface you need to find I found the bug option and then click on that. Then still need help, you need to click on the Yes button. Then you need to click on the Snapchat is crashing. Then you need to scroll down and then choose the last option, when I try to use a particular feature. After that you need to click on the first option, Snaps. After that you need to scroll down, and here you need to enter your username, email address, mobile number, device, and then you need to describe your problem. After that you need to click on the gray button, Submit, and then Snapchat support will receive your message a few days. And that's all, and that's how to fix Snapchat sound not working problem. If you found this video useful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.